No one's going to invite you to take part, but you have to invite yourself, and you need to understand how decisions are made, when they are made, who are the change makers. My name is Rakia Ismail. I'm a councillor for Holloway Ward, and I'm the mayor of Islington. My role is a civic mayor, and it's more ceremonial, so I attend events like today and represent the council. I chair full council meetings. I'm finding it really very interesting, and it's so enriching to be the mayor of Islington. I think it's not only enriching for me, but it's actually empowering the ethnic minority community in particularly, because the messages I'm receiving from local people is overwhelmed. Climate change is an urgent issue that I can assure you we all take seriously. Being the person I am, very inquisitive and asking questions for why things are not done for people, then I became interested, and then I got involved in my local school governor, before I know what I'm a councillor. I think it's very, very important a woman of colour to be in politics. The reason that is often decisions are made on behalf of myself and many other black ethnic minority, that people who have no clue what my life is about, what I would like, and people speaking on our behalf. I have been a councillor, elected councillor since 2012. It's a great council, very busy. 4 times a year we have the council sit and meet, and if there are changes of policies or cabinet change, this is where the chair will agree and we implement the change. Things happen at local level, you know. What makes a change at the top of, House of Commons, City Hall, councils like this? It starts at grassroots, at local level. So you need to influence the change.